Hi everyone. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Audi A8, a flagship luxury sedan that continues to push boundaries in design, technology, and performance. If you're someone who appreciates a perfect blend of sophistication and innovation, this car is worth your attention. First, let's talk about its exterior design. The 2025 A8 has a commanding road presence. With a sleek yet bold design, the iconic Audi single-frame grille has been refined, and the sharp LED headlights give it a futuristic vibe. The side profile showcases clean lines and elegant proportions, while the rear features LED taillights that create a stunning light signature. It's the perfect mix of sporty and elegant, ideal for those who want to turn heads wherever they go. Stepping inside, the cabin is all about luxury and comfort. Premium materials like Valcona leather and open-pore wood trim dominate the interior, and everything feels meticulously crafted. The seats are incredibly comfortable, with options for ventilation, massage, and even rear seat relaxation features. The ambient lighting system allows you to customize the mood, making every drive feel like a first-class experience. Technology is where the A8 truly shines. The MMI touch response system features dual touch screens with haptic feedback, making it intuitive and seamless to use. Audi's Virtual Cockpit Plus is standard, providing a fully digital and customizable driver display. The car also comes with a Bang & Olufsen premium sound system that delivers an immersive audio experience. On the tech front, the A8 is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise assist, traffic jam assist, and predictive efficiency assist, ensuring a safe and comfortable drive. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi A8 offers a range of powertrain options, including a plug-in hybrid variant for those looking for efficiency without compromising on performance. The V6 and V8 engines deliver smooth and powerful acceleration, while the Quattro all-wheel drive ensures exceptional handling and stability. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling winding roads, the A8 feels composed and confident. The ride quality is another highlight, thanks to the predictive active suspension system. It scans the road ahead and adjusts each wheel individually to provide a smooth and comfortable ride. Even over rough surfaces, the A8 maintains its composure, ensuring you and your passengers remain at ease. Lastly, let's talk about practicality. Despite being a luxury sedan, the A8 offers ample trunk space and plenty of legroom, especially in the rear seats. It's perfect for long road trips or chauffeuring passengers in style. So, is the 2025 Audi A8 worth it? If you're in the market for a luxury sedan that combines cutting-edge technology, unmatched comfort, and impressive performance, the A8 is a top contender. It's a car that redefines what it means to travel in style. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Let me know your thoughts on the Audi A8 in the comments below. See you in the next video.